Let's go. If you hear me loud and clear, let me get someone's in the chat, man. Let's get it. 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 Let's get it rocking and rolling, man. Right, it's a new day, it's a new dollar. Another day, another dollar in the sweet, sweet market, man. In the sweet market, man. We're gonna start with our rules, and we start with our rules and tools, in which we gotta be grateful. In which we rule number, we gotta be grateful, right? We gotta be grateful. We gotta be thankful. Right, we gotta be grateful, we gotta be thankful to start off with day right, right? With the rule number one. And once you start off with day right with being having gratitude, of being grateful, thankful, every single thing, gonna actually start off with day right, right? You're gonna be grateful, you're gonna have a nice, awesome gratitude to actually, you're gonna have this awesome gratitude of, thank God for life and strength, as I said, and seeing this new and beautiful day, man, right? So we gotta be grateful, we gotta be thankful, right? So that's the rule number one, having gratitude. As you go forward to rule number two is actually checking the news, right? Are we going to be checking the news on forexfactory.com/calendar, right? And with that here, with that there, right, with that there, we don't know what high impact news is going to affect the United States dollar this morning. Now, with that being said, wow, yeah, with that being said, we don't know what red follows or high impact news will affect us, right? Wait, let me know if you guys hear me loud and clear. Let me just make sure before we go further, before we even take any trade and I actually say something. You guys didn't hear me. Alright, let me know in the chat if you hear me loud and clear, man. Let me get someone. Sorry, I'm talking. I'll check it. Okay, so my this side saying it hearing good, which is good. Yeah, you guys hear me. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, let's continue. Let's continue. Right now with our rule number two, we're gonna know what high impact news is gonna be affecting us this morning, which is red followers, right? We don't have any red followers, but we have orange followers. That's medium impact followers that's gonna affect the United States dollar this morning. All right. Now, with that being said, with that medium impact follower, that's unemployment claims, right? Is it tomorrow? Tomorrow's supposed to be NFP? No, not tomorrow. Next week. Next week is FOMC. Okay. Next week gonna be very interesting. Next week we may even do a session during the day, which is gonna be crazy. But anyway, let's talk about today. We have no news today. We may have medium impact follower, which is unemployment claims. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. In which no, not unemployment claims. Looking at the wrong thing. It's actually flash manufacturing PMI, right? That's not gonna affect us like that. Yeah, that's not gonna affect us like that. So you're gonna be good, although it's gonna affect the S&P global, but it won't affect us as strong as the red foolers, right? So we good with that. We good with that, right? As you go forward to the rule number three is knowing our risk management. Risk management is very crucial. Risk reward is very very crucial. When we trading, we gotta have your risk properly set, right? And with that being said, we gonna know with risk, right? So risk gonna be 3%, 3,000 points, 300 pips, same thing, right? As we risk, how much we risking. Daily target is gonna be 10% minimum, right? So once we get the daily target, bam, we lucky with profits. We call it a sweet, sweet, wonderful day, right? Now, hope you guys know your specific lot size for your account balance, because when we're trading, you're supposed to know your lot size when you're having your lot size when you have a specific account balance, right? Now let's jump straight to the charts. I mean, it is Thursday. We were supposed to do a session last week. Sunday put it into the same lot size thing, right? So I'm looking forward for this Sunday to actually do that to you guys. Looking forward, looking forward, looking forward. But more than likely, we will do that, right? Now we have 30 seconds again remaining for the market to actually open for the New York Stock Exchange open. We are US Stadium left, NAS on the right. Let's see what's gonna take place here now, man. All right, 70 seconds ago, man. All right, so what's my bias in this market? Right now, in the middle of her range, so I don't have a bias right now, honestly. So, either way she can buy up, then she can actually so long. Yeah, we playing. Are they playing for the safe side right now? Right, market officially open. We always look at US 30 first, right? I see Nas breaking to the downside. All right, so I'm looking at US 30 first. You guys may be seeing it pushing through, but it should actually push through my entry right now. I'm just waiting for it to clear these highs right here. Once you clear these highs, it's gonna be real good to even take that trade. All right, honestly, clear those highs. Because if Nas actually giving us some selling pressure and USD giving us buying pressure. We have to go with the bigger market, right? The bigger market is literally NAS 100. NAS 100 is 104 companies, USD is just 34 companies, right? So this is US third, NAS and US 500. Those two is the main thing that actually push US to the most, right? Now, if US NAS is actually showing us this selling momentum, we may see the exact same thing with US 30. Okay, so I see NAS rejecting. So you may see some bullish pressure taking place here. So we may be good to even take buys on US 30 once you break the highs. Yeah, US 30 now is now actually rejecting for the push off. That's good. Looking at US 30 right now, approaching our entry. Want to see how break the high though. That's all I want to say. I want to see if fulfill we can break the high. Once he does that, I'll be in that market. Drop it, yes. I already check it out, right? The trade that we're gonna get at this high, the stop loss gonna be really tight. Wow, that's gonna be really tight, man. Honestly, I don't favor buys. I rather sells in this market. If you buy shitty high, cool, that's not a problem. May take it with a low stop loss, very small type stop loss, like a 2,000 point stop loss. Well, a 25,000 point stop loss, but I rather sells and buys. If she actually give me the drop to these lows, well, that was my previous resistance. That now, yeah. Looking at USD right now, yeah, that good move for me there, man. Not gonna use my regular. Let's see a full Philly wick. Come on, let's see a full Philly wick to the downside. Looking at USD right now, sell USD right now, man. I'm in on sells on USD right now, man. I'm in on sells on USD right now, guys. Sell USD. I got it at this. You're supposed to be in profits already. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, my entry. Nice. Yeah. Let's go, man. Stop loss on this trade. We're gonna protect the highs. Alright, stop loss on this trade gonna be 3,000 points. Let me use the correct stop loss. We could use the correct stop loss here. Alright. Alright. First trade in the morning. Right now we're running slightly in profits right now. We're running 200 pips in profit right now. Stop loss on this trade gonna use 3,000 points. I'm gonna take us straight down to my big drop. 600 pips in profit right now. Let's go. I'm gonna take us straight down to this right here. So my TP on this trade gonna be 15,000 points, guys. Yeah, 15,000 points. Right now we're running 400 pips in profit, which is good. As soon as we reach 600 pips, that's when we're gonna move to break even. All right. Love that drop. Running. Come on, 600 pips in profit right now. When I say push, all right. Now we could actually move to break even on this trade, risk-free trade. Yeah, risk-free trade. Make sure I move to break even on this trade. Now I got a slight little late entry, so I'm not moving to break even as yet. I'm gonna drop my stop loss about 2,000 points, right? So let's remember we TP is 13,000 points. Right now we are running how much? We are running 800 pips in profit, yo. Let's go, man. What we talking about? Risk-free trade, as I said, they are risk-free trade. We have nothing to worry about. Yeah, no. We have something to worry about. She got to pull back at the end of the day, right? Right now we're running 1,000 pip in profit. Yo, 10% right there in the game, man. That's 10%. That's we 10%, yo. Slight little pullback. Well, come on, we need to see a drop and break these lows. Drop and break the lows. Drop and break the lows. Break the lows. Break the lows. She's breaking the low. She break that lows yet. Now this trade is a break-even trade, right? Yeah, we're gonna expect a pullback. Now, honestly, we don't wanna lose back with profits. Although this is a break-even trade, We win nothing, we lose nothing, but come like we're gonna watch our trade, go in the direction and then pull back and actually stop us out in break even, right? Nothing wrong with that. Um, but we gotta believe every trade that come, right? We gotta believe every trade. We gotta believe in every trade, right? We're gonna expect our pullback right here. I need to see some rejections coming through from here right now. Now, if you was going for 10%, this would have actually been 10%, we'd have called it a 3 day long time. Right, we'd have actually done, literally done right there, right? But seeing as we're going for the 30,000 pip, 15,000 pip move, cool. That's not a problem. Right, cool. Some pullbacks to literally 400 pips in profit right now. Now, I actually wanted to take her to this nice area of demand right here, which have been really, really good. Right now she pulled back to 300 pips in profit. Now, if you guys want, you can actually take some cash out of the market. So it come like you're gonna close at a 1 to 1, 300 pips. Now, if you're holding out for the full TP, that's not a problem too. Alright, that's not a problem too. Make sure you move to break even though. That's the next, that's the only thing. Pam 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 pam. Even though she pull back, if we break even, cool. We let's get another entry right there, right? So if you actually lock in the 300 pips, cool. That's good. I'm seeing her giving us some little deeper pullbacks to our entry. That's break even. Alright, now we hit break even as yet. Well, actually got late entry, so we hit break even as yet. We're still in. Come on, girl. Let's see actually reject off of this low, off of this high. Because this could be a slight pullback to retest, then to see a drop. I need to see a nice engulfing candle to the downside. And if you guys actually close off your trade, guess what? We got an engulfing candle. So yeah, one more. We need one more push of that. We got an engulfing candle. This is optional. You don't have to do this, but honestly, give me one more push so you can take another position in this market. 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. New 1 minute candle. Right now, we only 1 minute right now. Looking at it. Ooh, she pulled back. Alright, so she's wicking, wicking, not wicking. She's like the next moment can actually jump in at this high. So we gotta see some slight of pullback just to fulfill this little gap here. Okay. This looks like breaking right now. So I'm gonna wait for another re-entry in this market, my guys. Yeah, that's breaking. Market actually hit breaking after giving us a good 10% in the market and then she pull back. Right, cool. Um, well, we got we buying and she waiting right up here. Honestly, we got we buyers waiting right up here. Ooh, but then after she dropped back down. Okay, cool. Cool, cool. We actually dropped this market right here, guys. Right, so she did give us a pullback. To me, she didn't give me. To me, she didn't hit me at break even. Out. She didn't. I didn't get stop at break even as yet. On as to where my entry is right there, but we still call it break even. All right. Now, at some point, it's kind of going to reject. Got one, two, three times rejected off at its highest, only one, which is really good. As I say, at some point, she got to reject to give us a drop. All right, if she didn't want to give us a drop, this is what, only 5 minutes. Right, no, we are, all right, cool. Yeah, I may take another entry on US 30 for the same sell long, honestly. All right, so she giving us a push. I want to see it give us a nice move though, a nice drop though. I want to see it reach these lows here. Once you reach these lows, like literally 49 271 on my side, cool. Could take her back down. Right now, she giving us some rejection, so I'm gonna sit on with. All right, so that's officially break even. The real question is, what these markets are trying to do, yo? Like, what are you trying to do, yo? All right, what you're trying to do, yo? Oh, we can even get a US NAS 100 trade because your study is still in a semi range right now. Yeah, it's off. Listen, yeah. All right, and yeah, slippage, slippage. I suppose it. I still see slippage. That's crazy, 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 crazy. Um, this look like a break Caritas. Yeah, she actually break the low. She pulled back Caritas and now she rejected now for the same entry we now got, right? Literally. All right, literally. If I only see engulfing candle, meaning a nice push off on this 1 minute to see it drop like maybe I wouldn't say these lows, but I want to see she engulf one of these candle. I wouldn't mind re-entering for the same sell long again on the US 30 because she's showing us signs that she want to drop. Then as we pull back, we have a next candle forming. Come on, we need to see that drop. Alright, bullish move taking, bullish momentum coming in right now. And when you're 30, what are you really trying to do, girl? We need a straightforward trade, like how you know give us it there. Alright, we need a straightforward direction, like you know how you know give us it there, right? We don't know exactly what you really want to do. We saw the five actually looking. I was actually watching only one. We saw the five actually looking. Come on, let's go. Uh, 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 uh. Got our next 5 minute candle has no open. She rejected a lot of the times at this area. Correction, continuation. We need a continuation. Alright, cool. You wanna see bullish momentum right now? correction supposed to be like correction supposed to be like correction supposed to be like 1,000 and hit a 2,000 continuation. All right, cool. Even as it bullish momentum, did the car did the new higher high I would say. And once you break the wick high, cool as when the last not the last candle wick high, not the last candle. This wick high, once you break that, that's when I'll be taking that buy off for that new higher high. So that's be like a continuation trade. But at the same time, she could actually reject off of this high again. That's where we could actually take her back down, working for 10%, just like how she did it just now, right? Now, seeing Nas giving us a push through also, two mark is actually running really good. Well, not really good. Two marks actually running in the same direction. So as SP, yeah. Now broken out to take a Nasby. Should we take a Nasby? So she rejected on US 30. Yeah, this area is very strong, yo. This area where US 30 is at right now is a very strong area where she could dump literally, alright? And you see that push down. I'm looking at US 30 rather than Nas right now. I'm interested in US 30 for sells, alright? One, two, we need one more push down. One more push down to confirm. We need one more push down. I bet. US 30, we selling US 30. I got it at a pullback, which is good. I'm selling US 30 right now again. Uh-huh. Come on, we're doing the pullbacks thing there, girl. Top loss on this trade gonna be we gotta protect we highs, which is like 3,200 points. So alright, we're gonna have a stop loss for we go hold 3,000 points. She pull back immediately, yo. Yeah, that stop loss out there, man. Okay, cool. She stop loss out there on US 30. She actually stop loss out there. As soon as she dropped, pull back, stop us out. Alright, she rejected a lot of times, really thought she like it was a drop. Now, if she want to continue to the high school, we could just take her to the upside, right? So this is literally the first loss of the morning. Let's see what's her next move here. Now she didn't break the high yet for me to even take buys. I'm still look. She's still in this supply area where we could see her drop. Now when this market drops, she's gonna drop. When she's gonna drop, she's gonna drop really nice, really massive. So I don't mind taking her for a really massive trade if she drops. Now the next trade we're gonna take gonna be the last trade of the morning. If she hit B2, if she actually stop us out there, cool. We'll call it a sweet morning, man. But I'm still interested in sales in this market on US 30. Trust me, still interested in that. Alright, so we got any 5 minute cameras now open. And if you want to take it, and if you want to take it at a very high point, this area good. No, don't leave us, yo. Give us a pullback. We'll pull back, then a full reject. Still on US 30. Still interested in the sales as I was saying. But we need to be clear. We need to be clear. We need no. All right, we have another entry right there, right? Yeah, we're right. I don't know. We're right that she got a drop, but we have a next area we could take her down. Nah, and I'm not gonna take she quite down here where she could have pulled back immediately. Nah, we need to be sure. Alright. Now this candle need to at least pull back, give her some bullish pressure and then sell back down. If she actually drop on this next 1 minute candle here and actually fulfill the wick, cool. We could take her for the continuation down, right? That's gonna be a really cool drop. Yes, looking for the drop all day. I guess the week trying to do good. Like, jeez. And I think we start. We have a 3,000 points at this area. I should get give us a pull. Alright, so we see any pullbacks right now. See any pullbacks right now. And I get a really good entry for this drop. Where's my trend line? Boom. Alright, cool. We're gonna see a drop from here. We're gonna see a drop from here, yo. Come on, let's go USD. Alright, cool. I'm selling USD right now. Alright, I'm in on sales on USD right now. I was expecting a slight more pullback than that. Last trade for the morning. If she actually buy off, so done. But stop loss gonna be 3,000 points again. 3,000 points again is my SL on US 30. If you got it, which patch is at right now, that's good area. I still believe she gotta drop you. 300 pips loss, alright. TP on the trade gonna be 15,000 points. Sorry. Now I'll give you guys a TP. TP on the trade gonna be 15,000 points. 15,000, 15,000 points is my take profit. I'm gonna set it straight and forget it. Alright, yeah, see, she giving us some pullbacks, cool. Pullbacks, nothing. We need to see a drop, yo. Yesterday playing with us too much, yo. Playing with us too much, yo. Rejecting offer this high is too much. If she break out and if she pull back, step us out and she break the high, yeah, this market can go to the upside. That's when I'm going like literally gonna officially done. But it's slightly blue right now, slightly blue right now. Stop loss is 3,000 points. That's literally at this high here. Now I actually wanted to get the sell on like a little higher area, but we see trend line break, pull back to retest the trend line break. We're gonna see her actually continue giving us the drop. Right now I'm still on a 1 minute. Right now you're supposed to be in profits, 200% profit right now. Come on, girl. We're gonna see a break these lows here. Have this area that I wanna see a break though, honestly. Alright, if we smack this 1500 pip, we're gonna hit back. We lost, so we had on 300 pips just now on US 30. Um which gonna be good, but we waiting. Crazy market conditions. But gotta cope with it, gotta cope with it, gotta cope with it. So she reaching one low that I wanna see a pass right now. And it's slightly rejection taking place right now. I wanna see her break that little low right there. Alright, I'm seeing Nas now giving us a reversal also, so good thing we didn't take Nas, we'd actually get stuck out there. But if Nas showing us a reversal for that drop, we're gonna see the same thing with US 30, a reversal that we was participating for whole morning. Alright, so we're gonna see a break the first. We have 1, 2, 3 lows to be broken before we clear before being alright, so that one low been broken there now. We're running. Wow, okay. Back to 200 pips, man. Once she fulfill this wick, that's gonna be good. Alright, she fulfill the wick. 300 pips in profit right now, right? Now we don't want to lose much, so we stop loss, reduce it to 2,500 points. I'm reducing my stop loss to 2,500 points. So you come like you're risking like 2.5%. All right. We take some cash off the table. All right. That's because she gave us a 1-to-1. Normally when I reach 1-to-1, it's supposed to reduce half of your risk. But then we reach a 1-to-2, meaning risking 3 to get 6. All right. When we reach a 1-to-2, that's when we hit and break even. But we know if you see all these market conditions actually moving, so we want to risk less on these trades, right? This, even if she pull back and stop us out, that's gonna be like 5% gonna lose today. All right. Look how she pulling back after breaking one low, reaching the second low, she pull back immediately to the entry. Alright guys, oh she's pulling back there, she's pulling back very strong. Alright, seeing some rejections taking place, which is good. Where the next hourly can gonna open up to. Alright, so the hourly will be showing us a wick to the upside and a wick to the downside, very indecisive. So this whole week I would say this week is literally an indecisive week. Sure about that on the higher time frame. This week was literally like a lot of consolidation, but yet still she did give us good moves, right? Right now, whoa, I like that rejection. See this candle which she reject. See this wick above here. This wick, she gotta respect this wick. This market going on drop, guys. I repeat, this market is gonna drop, guys. This market have to drop, guys. She respect this high and leave this wick. This wick, we call this wick the respected wick. She gotta drop. She got to drop. If she doesn't, if she pull back, reach this wick here again and reject it, that respected wick. Now if she actually break it, yeah, she ain't respecting it. But to me, this is the how she move here. This is a nice respected area wick that she left for us to see this market drop. Wow, she pulling back to the wick, yo. We got another 1 minute candle. So the spread's actually like there, yeah. Alright, so she reached the top of the wick and now she rejected. Lovely. Reached the top of the wick and now she rejected. Lovely. Lovely. Back to entry. We're gonna see a breakdown low. Come on, don't do it that USD. USD playing really indecisive, yo. Waiting. We are the next hourly kind of gonna open up now. This hourly kind of gonna show us that direction now because boy oh boy. Right, so you got a new hourly candle actually now open. All right, yo, big job. Let's go. That we talking about. Once she break these lows, we really good to go, man. Honestly, that's a good job she gave us there. Big job. She leave a gap, so we still gonna expect a pullback. Yo, all right, man. This market is very indecisive. We are still running like just 100, 200 pips in profit right now. All right, she rejecting. Once she pass the wick low, we're gonna be clear to take off. Literally clear to take off. Literally clear to take off. So yeah, I was right again. She respected. This is the wick. She got her respect. She pulled back, retested. She respect the low. We call her the respected wick on the 1 minute. Right now we're running like how much? 300 pips back in profit. Yep, big drop, yo. That we talking about US 30. Let's go, man. 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 I want back my 1,000 pip you gave me first, plus my mini loss, yo, because I'm not playing that, yo, US 30. All right, literally, I'm not playing that. She passed the second area. We are the third area been broken. Let's go. Let's go. That's the third area been broken out there. We're running 500 pips in profit. Let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Now with this trade, no, we hit 600 pip yet. Okay, sorry. 600 pip. Now I can move to break even, a risk-free trade. Let she do what she gotta do now, man. I'm not. We're not taking that, man. It's either it had to be break even or it had to be profit because I'm not playing out US 30, literally, right? This trade is literally a risk-free trade at this point now. Watch what she rejected after hitting 600 pips. She pulled back to 300%. Plus, this kind of create I like this kind of which you know. Whoa, big job. Yeah, risk free trade now. We official. We official. We official. We official. We official. Running 500% profit. We official. When you see it break this little low here, because she break the 1, 2, 3 lows she give us it broken out from. We have one more massive low to be broken. Right. Once she does that, that's when we're gonna hit the 15,000 point move. Honestly, there should be like 1,000 pip just because, but we're gonna take her to this trend line here. We have the 5 minute upward trend line here. You're gonna drop, break the trend line, and then continue falling. All right. It's now 10:02. I'm still in this trade. As I said, this trade is literally a break-even risk-free trade. Plus, we got a tweezers candle up here. That's good. Alright, guys. So this trade gonna set and forget. Risk-free trade, as I said, I hope you guys actually move to break-even on this trade. We should lose nothing on this trade. If this trade actually pull back, stop your break-even. We will come like we only take one loss after hitting 2 winning trades. All right. I like how she's rejecting here. This woman can actually close as in a doji candle. Or we'll call it a butterfly candle. So if she break the high, we're gonna get a pullback to the entry. Exactly. All right, cool. I'm gonna call it a sweet, sweet morning, man. She's gonna pull back. That's a break-even trade at the end of the day, right here. She's gonna give us again. I'm gonna call it a sweet morning, man. I'm not gonna take more positions. Yeah, she didn't hit big break-even as yet, but she pulling back to that entry. All right. Yeah, she giving us the pull back to the entry. So yeah, she's giving us the movement to the downside. She's giving us the movement to the downside, honestly. But this is just pure consolidation taking place here. If you really look at it, yeah, that's break even on. Oh, yeah, that's break even now. Wicks to the upside, wicks, a lot of wicks, a lot of wicks, a lot of wicks, right? So I'm gonna call it a sweet, sweet, sweet morning, guys. Honestly, I'm gonna call it a sweet morning, guys. We got 2 good winning trade, but still actually hit break even on both and 1 losing trade. So I'm gonna call it a sweet morning and come back tonight for Asia session, man. These markets are good, but indecisive at the same time, right? But I mean, if you're looking profits, that's not a problem. If it's still holding, that's not a problem. But if I see something, I'm gonna say something at the same time, right? Because you're rejecting a lot, and the more she reject, the more we're gonna see she go to the opposite direction. So let's go, let's go, let's go, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, please God. Well, tonight for our Asia session. Let's go, and I'm out, man.